Welcome to Adventures with Sheldon.
Oh, hey Sheldon. This is another one of Sheldon's favorite spots to dance. And what a perfect night it is to dance. Sheldon loves to dance, but he loves dancing with his friends even more. Let's go see one of Sheldon's friends now. This is Clemantha. She's a bit shy. And here comes Sheldon.
Hey!
Hey. Sheldon wants to dance with Clemantha, but it doesn't look like she wants to dance right now. I wonder why.
Come on!
No.
Why?
I can't.
What? Come on, let's try dancing somewhere else.
Let's see if Clemantha will dance here.
Ta-da! And open. And open.
Clemantha was too scared to open up and dance for everyone.
There. Oh no!
Sheldon swam after Clemantha. She seemed to be really shaken up. He tried to tell her it was okay and that he would dance with her so she wouldn't be alone. But no matter what he told her, it didn't seem to work. Clemantha didn't feel like it was safe to dance. This made Sheldon sad. Sheldon remembered a time in the Bible when Peter didn't trust Jesus. Peter and the disciples were on a boat in a big storm, but then they saw Jesus walking on the water. Peter started to walk on the water to Jesus, but he fell in the water because he didn't trust Jesus. But Jesus saved him. Sheldon realizes that Clemantha just needed to trust that Jesus will keep her safe if she opens up.
Jesus will protect you, and so will I.
Let's dance.
Isn't it great that our friends can trust in Jesus? Well, it's time for them to go. Bye, Clemantha. Bye, Sheldon. Wait, what's this? Sheldon, where are you going? Come back tomorrow and see what happened to Sheldon.